I'm Randy Reid, editor of the EdisonReport. We're at LEDucation 2026. This is LightPitch. I'm joined by Jesse Coxwell of BJB. Jesse, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell our audience a little bit about what you're displaying here.
Yeah, so I'm a key account manager with BJB. We're a family-owned German manufacturer of components for luminaire manufacturers. And so today we're displaying some of our components, which are focused on interchangeability, exchangeability, and recyclability.
I saw this product in Germany. Tell our audience a little bit about it.
Yes, sir. So the product that you've mentioned is ECOB. This is an exchangeable COB concept where you can start with a standard 50 millimeter outer ring. You can choose various COB sizes, and then you clip in a inner ring. So what this will allow the manufacturer to do is to do some late stage finishing. So you can finish the luminaire up to the outer ring standpoint. The customer or the manufacturer chooses the COB at a later time, and they can finish the luminaire from that standpoint.
Well, I think it's a great product. Thank you, Jesse.